My YouTube channel Shloka Tech. Into this video, we are going to continue our web development tutorial, and today we are going to learn about span tags. So first, open the code editor, make a new file, name it tut4.html. I will add the basic HTML boilerplate. This will be tut4, and this will be span tag and I tag. Now, first what we have to do is open a web browser and also start the live server. Now open a new tab and type font awesome CDN and open the first link, and this will be CDN Cloudflare, and simply copy this. Now this is a link tag. I will teach you about that in future videos. Now what you have to do is delete everything except the rel and href. And now what you do is make I tag and let me say font awesome icon. Inside is any icon, let's say address book only. Simply copy this and paste that here. Now you don't know what is class and area hidden and all. We will talk about that in future videos. So now if you reload, you can see I get this icon, and if I also inspect this icon, elements and this, so you can see it is this, and inside this these are some styles. It has been added by font awesome, which we have linked here. So I tags are mostly always used in displaying icons. And then if I, let's say, change this to a span tag, and again go here and reload, and right now you can see it in no string. So to add icons you have to use an I tag. After that, let me comment it out. Now if I make a span tag, inside this I say I am the span tag. If I go here, I get I am the span tag. Oh sorry, let me also reset. Now span tag, they are also simply using to add. So if you can do is like here only it is saying CDN Now they must maybe wrap this full in H1, and then when JS came, like let me show you something. They added a H1 inside this. They said CDN, and then they added a span tag saying JS, and in CSS then they targeted it differently. So now I am going to add some CSS to CSS. Don't worry about that. So you can see after doing that, if I go here, CDN is in green and JS is in red. So that's how they are really useful. So I hope you understood the span tag and I tag. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like it, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.